Here's a trick that will cut 8 months out of your market research and get you started in just 1 week. How to start market research from scratch. Exactly what I did. The biggest mistake that keeps beginners stuck in analysis paralysis is thinking they need to know everything before they start. But what if I told you market research is actually simpler than you think? Here's exactly how I went from completely overwhelmed to confident in my market research in just 1 week. So last month, I was talking to Sarah, a brilliant professional who'd been researching her business idea for 8 months. 8 months! She had dozens of bookmarks, 3 notebooks full of ideas, but zero progress. Sound familiar? Here's what changed everything for her, and what I wish someone had told me when I started. Step 1. Ask one simple question first. Before diving into competitor analysis or customer surveys, ask this. What problem am I actually solving? Not 5 problems. 1. And Sarah realized she was trying to solve everything for everyone. Once she picked one specific problem for one specific group of people, everything became clearer. Step 2. Find where your people already hang out. Don't create surveys. Don't guess what people want. Go where they're already complaining about the problem you solve. Facebook groups, Reddit threads, review sections. That's where real market research happens. Sarah spent 2 hours in online communities and learned more than she had in months of formal research. Step 3. Talk to 5 real people, not your friends, not your family. 5 strangers who actually have the problem you're solving. Ask them, what's the most frustrating part about their problem? Then shut up and listen. Sarah discovered her target customers cared about something completely different than what she'd been focusing on. 3 simple steps. 1 week, clear direction.